guys, it is only 1 week away. You must be really excited to go back to your hometown, right? Since all of you study far from your home, you probably miss your families a lot.
Yes, of course. And I will go back to my hometown at tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. How about you guys?
I also will come tomorrow at 11 o'clock.
Oh, I think you will go back to your hometown at um, Sunday.
No, I cancel it.
Oh, okay.
Of course, I really miss my family so much. Eventually, this is my first Ramadan far from home, right? And I can't really wait to together with my family again.
How about you, Dennis?
About me, I'm not really that excited when I see my family. Not in that way because I usually go back in my home for like 1 week
Oh, 1 week
per
once.
1 week. And, but what really excited me is the oncoming Eid al-Fitr, which will be uh, next week, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
For me, even I live near here, I'm going back to my hometown. Maybe next week.
Oh,
Maybe next week. So, besides meeting your family, what do you miss the most about Eid? Is it the food?
Of course. Usually before it, I and my family prepare some food for it, and usually we buy some food that we like, especially some cookies like nastar or kastengels, and uh, putri salju,
What do you like the most?
putri salju. Because it's sweet and I can finish it by myself, only for me.
you make it or you
No,
buy for?
of course we buy.
Oh, buy. Okay.
We have the same taste, I think. I also very like Putri Salju because it is, yeah, like you said, it's very sweet. Like when it come to your mouth, it is start to melting and
That's right.
the cookie is really really enjoying.
Yes. Putri Salju is good, but I also have my favorite on cookies. The name is palm cheese.
Oh,
Do you know palm cheese?
I don't know.
So it's like cookies. The base is the flavor is cheese, but in the outside there is palm sugar.
Oh.
So it tastes sweet and kind of salty, a little bit salty. So whenever in my house there is a jar of palm cheese, I end up eating half of the jar by myself.
Different from Diajeng and Sabrina and Atta. I really miss the food in eight is what is that? Opor ayam.
Oh,
Yes. And the part that I like from the chicken is how in Indonesia is sempol.
Oh, simple.
And for the cake, I really like nastar. And when it's 8 come, my auntie will make it for me and my family.
Did you eat your opor ayam with ketupat or
Yes,
with rice?
yes, ketupat. Sometimes with lontong.
Lontong.
How about you, Dennis?
For myself, not long before it, I usually with my mom and my big sister, I would prepare some food, like for example, nastar, kastengel. What is it? Do you guys know what ongkowolu?
What is
Ongkowolu. This like some cake, not cake, but biscuit, but shaped like egg.
This is
That's-
my first time here.
That's one of my favorite food out there. And Yes. Other than that, I like, quizzes. Quizzes with satisfying amount of chocolate paste inside.
Yes.
It's really delicious, you guys.
So everyone have their own taste. Yeah. How do I say it? Besides cookies, I also like to snack cashew nuts. Yes.
What is that?
In Indonesia, kacang mete.
Oh.
Kacang mete.
Hey, I don't like it.
Why? Is it
I
so
don't like the
good?
taste.
Is it so
No.
good? What do you mean you don't like kacang mete?
Kacang
Why?
is made acne. Acne. Jerawat.
Oh, makes your face.
Yes. And I
Apa
don't
sih?
like the taste of the kacang.
Any kacang, all of kacang, you don't like it?
Hmm.
Hmm.
I'm curious, guys. How do you guys usually prepare your food, the leftover food? Is it you guys buying it or prepare it yourself by making it?
For me, for my family, it will. What is that? How to say kumpul? In my yes, in
Gather.
my um, grandmother house, and we will like cooking together like rendang, rica-rica, or opor ayam, like that. How about you?
For me, when I'm going back to my hometown, especially in my auntie house, whenever I go there is always already my auntie already cooked the food like opor ayam, ketupat.
She cook. She cook by herself.
Yes, she cooked by herself. So when I there, the food is already and I just eating it.
Wow. Delicious.
Sometimes my mother can cook it, but if she's not having time, she like to buy it, like ordering it, like that. And for the snack, there's some that she make it by herself, and some it is she buys.
How about you?
Usually my mother and my grandma cook like chicken, but not opor, like
chicken.
just for chicken. And usually my grandmother also make pecel,
Oh yes. But
Yeah, pecel for it.
Asia.
because all of us do like pecel, so we eat together after the duhur.
Oh. Dennis?
For myself, just as I said, I prepare and gather in kitchen with my mother, my big sister.
In the kitchen too.
Yeah, to prepare food. But there's some case when uh, food sales come to my home and offer us some food you know, for the quest, right? And what's the other one? Let me recall it. Oh, and half of my what it is food for the food, yeah, it comes from THL.
Oh.
You know what?
Yes. curious. Is it from your hometown like have a special event before eight? Maybe like eat together in the field or something? No.
In my family, we don't have any specific event before 8. So it's just like, yeah, like that. We didn't have any specific event.
This my home is near the malls, like just 2 or 3 steps from us. It is not before the 8, but right after the 8, we gathering together at the mosque, and some of family is bring their food to the mosque, and we start eating together after 8, like that,
After three.
Yeah.
Oh,
in the morning.
that's really fun. Okay, no.
No. In my hometown, I think there is no like an event before
Eight.
it.
Enough.
Myself, it's actually on the second day of Eid al-Fitr. Me and my family having assembly in you know what, keluarga besar,
Oh
big
yeah.
family.
Big family.
This was held every year in Eid al-Fitr.
So guys, as you know from our video before, we are really excited to celebrating Eid, especially because we are college student now and we far away from our family, and that's make ourselves really excited to meet our family too.
Okay, guys, that's all from our video today, and stay tuned for the next video.
Bye bye.